Welcome to Lecture 9.7, Describing Interior Layouts in ASL. Always remember to sign from your own perspective. Do not flip the signing space for your listener. Now I'll tell you a short story. Practice visualizing the space from my perspective. To practice your receptive skills, turn off the volume so you don't hear my voice narration. A long time ago, when I was 9 and my brother was 4, we lived in a house that had a long hallway that was dark. This first door was my brother's bedroom, and then my bedroom was there. Across from it was my parents' bedroom, and this door here was the bathroom. Every night, my brother and I would do something because we were afraid of the dark. We would come down the hall and turn on the hall light first. And then we'd go into our bedrooms and turn on that light. Come back out and turn off the hall light, and then go ahead and go back into our bedrooms. We did this because we didn't want to walk through the darkness. I had a thought, a plan to tease my brother. So I unscrewed the light bulb in that hallway and set it aside. And then my brother's bedroom door, I locked it. I also locked my own bedroom door and my parents' bedroom door. Then I went into the bathroom and waited with a pillow. My brother, who was so cute and just 4, came walking down the hall and turned on the hall light. But there was no light bulb. Nothing happened. He was scared, so he ran toward his bedroom and tried to open the door, but it too was locked. Then he tried my door and my parents' door. They were all locked. He started to scream, and I came out of the bathroom and attacked him, and I took the pillow and beat him up with it. It was funny, and I'm mischievous, but later on my brother got his revenge. This is the layout of our hallway. Does it match your visualization? Let's practice. We will use this picture of a living room. See if you can correctly identify the objects I describe. Number 1. Number 1, the window on the left wall with blinds. Number 2, did you correctly identify the couch beneath the window on the left? Number 3, did you correctly identify the fireplace set into the back wall? Number 4, did you correctly identify the television in the far left corner? Practice describing interior layouts. Use DCLs to describe objects in the space. Use location classifiers, or LCLs, to show how objects are positioned in relation to each other. Use ICLs if appropriate, and always strive to show rather than tell how things are. If you think visually, your ASL is sure to improve.